Hello everyone and welcome to the Arai channel. Today we're talking about helmet cleaning. The Defiant Pro Cruise Assembly follows the same pattern as the Corsair X, Quantum X, and Signet X, but the Defiant Pro Cruise features the SAI shield rather than the VAS shield found on the new X Series helmets. See our SAI shield video for more information. The Vector 2 has some slight differences. The neck roll is non-removable and the cheek pads are actually reversed. Remove them by pulling the back of the cheek pad out and sliding the black tongue tab out from under the chin liner in the front. Remember to remove the neck roll tabs as well. The Vector 2 features the SAI shield, while the X helmets feature the VAS shield. See our SAI shield video for more information. The Vector 2 also does not have removable chin strap covers. The DTX is similar to the Vector 2 in construction, but is a new X Series model with the VAS shield. Similar to the Vector 2, the neck roll is non-removable, and the cheek pads are reversed compared to the Corsair X, Quantum X, and Signet X. The chin strap covers are also non-removable, but the headliner, rubber breath guard, cheek pad covers, holders, shield, and base plates are removed the same as the other X helmets. The chin vent shutter is also removable on the DTX, as well as the other X models. Unscrew the center screw and pop the tabs out from the sides. The chin vent is interchangeable with all X Series helmets. The XT4 also does not have a removable neck roll, and does not come standard with a rubber breath guard, but it can be installed as an option. Remove the cheek pads, headliner, and chin strap covers the same as the X Series helmets. To remove the shield, simply unscrew the two screws on the side and pull off the pressure plates and peak. Note that the base plates are not removable on the XT4. The diffusers on the back can be removed by twisting the red switch to the side and pulling down on the black tail. To reinstall, simply press the diffuser back on and straighten the red lock switch. The VX Pro 4 has a removable neck roll, and the cheek pads, headliner, and chin strap covers can be removed just like the XD4. With the cheek pads and headliner out, remove the neck roll by rotating clockwise relative to the helmet opening. Reinstall the neck roll by lining up with the rear of the helmet and pressing the hang tabs past the ridges so they clip on. Make sure to line up the black circle tabs with the headliner snap hole. The chin grill is also removable by a screw on the inside of the chin bar. Pinch the chin grill in the front slightly to get the hang tabs out from behind the shell. Visit our website araiamericas.com for more information, and thanks for watching.